gonna fart. It's all on the free. Stop it. I didn't hear the music.
Hello everybody, I am Ryuzen and today I'm playing with
Aiko
and
Rusty.
today we are playing Flee the Facility and this is our first video on our channel. Yay! Okay, let's go.
Yay! Let's go!
Okay.
Aiko, where are you? You left us?
I'm trying to find a computer.
Oh,
Which it's okay. We found.
Alright.
excuse me.
Up!
Stop crouching, we're gonna die.
Simon.
We're gonna die. Oh my god. I will... Nanami? Oh my god.
You're sick.
Who is doing that?
My gosh!
Don't
Not
crouch.
doing that.
Don't crouch.
Fine. So let's go to everybody.
Okay, let's go here.
Why you guys
Never
You
mind.
guys gonna fart. It's all on the free. Stop.
I didn't hear the music! How is that? That's a hassle.
Don't leave.
Don't leave.
Don't leave. It's teaming. It's teaming with a. With a girl.
Aiko.
Right here.
Oh my god, Aiko. Did you... Wait.
Like,
Oh my god, this Hannah Montana. Ay,
Go to captures. That's how you do it.
it's teaming.
Is that how you do it?
It's teaming. Like, why are you such a bad teamer? She loves me. Oh my god, Aiko run. It's teaming. On our first video.
I see it. I'm following it behind.
On our first video and some people are teaming like no skill.
What I'm saying.
Okay. Oh my god, this beast. You're hungry beast.
I cannot find
Oh
any
wow, free round.
I can't even see the chat.
Oh,
Guys, where are you? I cannot find.
I'm upstairs for some odd reason.
run.
Okay.
What the fuck was that?
Ang dami mong good.
Oh my god.
I saw a girl get killed. Bye, girl. You're on your own.
Run! Aiko run! Go Aiko run!
Hey,
Oh wait!
It's camping. Go to the exit.
go. With me. I got the teamer with me. Come here. I'm gonna fail on purpose. Go to me, Aiko, cause there's.
Okay, that round was so interesting.
failed.
Oh my god. Wait, I'm trying to
I
speak.
failed completely.
I'm trying to speak. Okay, that round was interesting. Like I couldn't figure out if it's a free round, if it's a normal round, if it's to campers, to teamers. Like what the hell?
The teamers
I'm
are
bad
with
at
me.
being a beast.
Considering you are a beast, how are you that bad?
Woo!
Girl. Yeah, I will pick you.
My siblings are a
Oh my
big problem.
gosh, I don't know where to go.
Oh my god!
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, girl. It's bad.
Let's go.
Please, there's a computer over there. Oh, don't come.
China
Where is
is
that
no. China is the level na. Whoa, there's someone that's 287. Oh, that's a big problem. There's.
Oh my god! Aiko, please spare me! Stop. Woo!
That's it.
Ah.
That's all I have to say.
If it becomes a beast.
Stop.
Like, I don't know what we do.
Oh my god. See, I'm a bad hacker. I mean, beast.
You're already bad at everything.
Here.
Oh my god, she loves me. Kill Hannah, target Hannah. Aiko, don't kill me yet, please.
Oh, why did you
Kill her, kill her, kill her. Oh my god. Kill her. Oh,
Wait.
oh please, please. No, 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 no. Please, please. Help me, Rusty, Rusty, help me, Rusty.
I got spotted. I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna die. Never mind, nagsuspit ako. Uh-oh.
Help me. you.
Literally, oh my god, it's literally
Thank you,
gonna...
girl.
the other girl?
Oh,
Okay,
I'm
please
gonna
just save
camp you.
you.
Okay, I'm gonna camp the. Woo! Okay.
ama sa baba, ama na meki, ama na sa bagiba sa babe, ama sa baba,
The door!
Michael Jackson. I hate you. Aiko, I will target you. Aiko, you're not iconic anymore. Guys, save me please, this demon. Oh my god, thank you. Run for my life. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
To the window.
What did I tell you guys? Or let me listen.
Ooh!
Girl.
Ooh! Ooh!
Failure confirmed.
Go, open, while she's not here. Go, let's run for my life. Let's go. Okay. Unfortunately, guys, that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching and hashtag no tunnel champ.